My favorite lunch spot along the Wheeling and Lake Erie here behind the BP station. Usually grab something to eat here and wait for the train to come by. I think there's one out there switching, so he should be by here at some point, I'm hoping. Looks like they still have the 109 and the 200 running. Looks like he's going to park that over on the other side of the road, maybe. Either drop the cars or maybe just park the whole train over there. Yeah, he's down there parked on the east side of the road down on the B&O connector. I see the crew walking off down there. Yeah, well, at least I got to see a train go by. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like this is where he's parking for the afternoon. Got her all shut down. Oh, this one's running. I don't know why they park it here sometimes. I guess to free up the main and the runaround track B&O back there, maybe? I don't know. But they do park it here from time to time.